Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. At this time, the 3rd Marine Aircraft Wing and Marine Aircraft Group 13 take great pleasure in presenting the F-35B Lightning II, the world's first short takeoff, vertical landing stealth fighter. Today's flight demonstration will consist of both the conventional and short takeoff, vertical landing modes of flight. The demonstration pilot today is Major Sasha Oprah Melman from San Francisco, California, who transitioned from the Aviate-B Harrier in 2015. In front of you now, an F-35B is positioning for an afterburner takeoff. The F-35B is capable of generating up to 40,000 pounds of thrust to take off via conventional or STOL modes. The short takeoff, or STOL, can allow this supersonic aircraft to take off in as little as 300 feet.
Distributed aperture system? What is that?
Correct. There are 6 cameras located around the aircraft that piece together one view for us. So this display goes on our visor, and when we look down, we don't see the bottom of the aircraft, we see the terrain beneath us. So you can look anywhere at night, night turns into day, and we have the terrain all around us.
Oh, that's awesome.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, the F-35B Lightning II. like to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of all the Marines of VMFA 211, without whom this demonstration would not be possible.